Moving on with Sean, he took me to some of his 50-unit block of 2 to 4 bedroom apartment he bought for 45 million Swiss francs.
You see all those ones from the beginning there?
Yeah.
All the way to the end here. The company was going bust, couldn't pay their dues, so they were in pressure to sell it. That's why I was telling you about opportunities. When opportunities come, and you need to jump at it.
So you need to have some liquidity, like, for those kind of opportunities, no?
Yes, I could have probably even bought it for free. The bank says it's worth 56 million. The people probably know it's worth around that amount, but they wanted to sell it off immediately, so they want to sell for 50 million. But I struck it down to 45 million. Now the bank is looking at, oh, it's worth 56 million. 75% of 56 million is 42 million. So the bank brought 42 million. I would have had to bring 14 million, but because I was able to strike the price down to 45 million, I only had to bring 3 million, and I didn't bring any money cash. So what the bank did was go to my other properties and pulled out the other equity that was there, and they were able to pull out 3 million. Now we've gone to the first stage of the reservation and the second stage of the contract sale, which is irreversible, and you're the first person now to know this, because normally I always wait till the second, because we say that 3 steps. There's the reservation, where you pay a deposit. The second one is the contract of sale, signed. Once it's signed, it's irreversible. And the third one is what you call the Eigentumsübertragung. They will transfer the name, ownership, transfer of ownership from that company to my company, house function, right? And then the bank will now pay their own part. I've paid my own part. The bank will now have to pay their own part. But the bank will always do that once the ownership has been transferred to this. So we're on that now. In the next few weeks, it should be done.
Wow.
So it's so crazy. So even all these tenants now don't know that after they've paid, the company will now come. They have what you call a house verwaltung that manages for them. Is an agency that manages for them. They will now introduce me officially to them. Then I will now have a meeting with everybody
to say, like, this is a new company.
It's a new company now that is the owner, and then we'll have a meeting. And after that, I can now issue them a new contract or take over the contract, the old contract that they have.
Are you going to increase the rent?
I'll keep that for myself.
So what's the average rent now for the, let's say, 3-4 bedrooms?
The average rent is for 3 bedrooms about 2,300 to 2,500. This is without utilities, right? Just the rent.
This car that you're driving right now, how much is it right now? Like, when you bought it, how much did you buy it for?
Because it's enhanced with Brabus and all that stuff. It's 423,000.
What? Jesus!